So a super line like Berkley Fireline is a phenomenal choice for anglers in a variety of different presentations for walleyes. Whether you're pitching light jigs and you want to feel everything that's going on, maybe you're trolling crankbaits and you want to get maximum depth out of that crankbait. Now a couple years ago they came out with the 8 strand, it was called Ultra 8. Now as they've, I guess, morphed the Fireline line, your Fireline that you're seeing on the shelves now is all the 8 strands. So you're getting that 8 strand line that works better on a spinning reel. You're gonna get further casts, you're gonna have more abrasive resistance in the Fireline now. And you're gonna get all the feel that you always had. Now, one of the things that was definitely asked of that Ultra 8 didn't have before was the flame green color, and that's something that is now available in the regular Fireline in that 8 strand. So flame green if you need to be able to see your line. Crystal, one of my favorites for pitching jigs, throwing glide baits, things like that. And then obviously the camouflage one, which is a smoke color. You can see it's that gray smoke color, and I love using that color for trolling crankbaits, things where you need to camouflage your presentation. But either way, now when you see Fireline, know that it's the top choice Fireline as far as characteristics go. It's going to work well on spinning reels, you're going to feel everything you need to, and it's going to be the line to go with in a lot of different applications.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.